I'm so glad that you're here. Today's video, I just wanted to come sit down and do a really fun, like, you know, little sunglass collection video. This will definitely have to be a part 1 because y'all, I have a lot of sunglasses, like a lot. I just wanted to come and show y'all some really cute sunglasses that I have and where I've gotten them from. I'm gonna be showing y'all some sunglasses that I've gotten from a website that I really love. I'm gonna give y'all the tea. If y'all don't know about this site, I'm gonna put y'all on. And I also have some from Fashion Nova, from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all, because it's a lot. Okay, y'all, so me personally, I love sunglasses, okay? Like, to me, they're like my favorite accessory. I don't know, like, anytime I'm online shopping, I'm always gonna go and just try to find me some sunglasses. And a lot of these, y'all, I have not even worn, but to me, they're just like so cute, and I just love to collect sunglasses. So I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I've gotten from Fashion Nova. I've gotten some from Amazon, and then I've also gotten some from this website called Sunglass Spot, which is like literally like my holy grail because they have every single pair of sunglasses you could imagine, and they're really affordable. So let's just go ahead and start off with them. So I really love these, and these are just like their oversized like aviator frames, and this one right here is just like all red, and then this one right here has like a little animal print to it. So I think it's real cute. Out of these two, these are my favorite. I love these because they have like this little brown color lens, and then they have like the little reptile. And I just love when my sunglasses are like really big, and I don't know, I just love these. Now, to me, I think that the quality of their sunglasses are standard plastic sunglasses. If you are not careful, they are going to break. But I probably spent no more than $7 on these a piece. So yeah, I mean, you get what you pay for, but they are really cute. And I'm just the type of person, I'm just gonna take care of my stuff anyways. So yeah. So another style that I get from them are their 90s inspired styles, and I really love these. They have like these little, you know, like, I don't even know how to explain it, but like the old throwback shades. And y'all, I love these. Like when I tell you, when I got these, I got one in like every single color. I was not playing, okay? Like, I was not playing. But yeah, so these are just like their little throwback, I don't know what I mean, like the little 90s frames. These are to me so raw. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm supposed to be like somewhere on a yacht in Miami, you know? I had to get me like a blue pair. I got this yellow pair. I got this red pair right here. I love this red pair. I don't really wear these a lot because, to be honest, I can't see, but they still cute. And you know, when you trying to be cute, really, who needs to see? But you know, the one time I did try to wear it, it was at nighttime, and y'all, I could not keep them on because I could not see. But yeah, so I got them in red, I got purple. I love this purple one, y'all. Like, these purple ones are just everything. I love these the most because they just remind me of like some Cartiers. Really cute, really girly, really fun. And they had so many different colors. Those were just the only ones that I got. Look, the only ones that I got, but they had a whole lot more, okay? You see, they have the really big ones. They have some really small ones. So they just have like all different types. So let's move on because I still have 2 more to show y'all from them, and then we're gonna go on to Amazon. So these right here, y'all, I really love these. These are just so different that I just felt like I had to have them. Like, y'all, this made me feel like I'm supposed to be in an Aaliyah video. These are just so cute, and I really like these because I felt like they was just so different. I love the shape of them, and I just felt like they gave me like old school vibes. These are the last ones that I'm gonna show y'all from Sunglass Spot. I actually got another pair of these, and they're pink, but I just decided to show y'all these because the pink ones to me don't hit like the teal ones. I really love the color, and I love that you can still see through them, but I also like the shape of them. They're very different, and they have like this little sleek type appearance to them, but I think that they're actually really cute. Those were all of the sunglasses from Sunglass Spot. Of course, I will have the link to that website in the description bar. Let's just move on to the ones from Amazon. So these right here are just like some all red oversized shades. And I remember I wore these when I was in Atlanta. I was going to the Birthday Bash concert. But yeah, y'all, I feel like these are really, really cute. And I don't know, I love red sunglasses. I love red sunglasses, just like I was telling y'all about the other one. And I feel like it looks good against my melanin, so I really, really like it. These are another pair of shades that I got that are red, and I really like these because y'all see they're different. They're cut off at the top. Honestly, I had kind of forgot about these, y'all. So now I'm feeling like I need to put together an outfit so I can wear these, because these are so cute. I got some more oversized shades. Y'all done seen these. Y'all know about these. I done seen some memes, y'all, where they're trying to declare these as the thought shades. And if that's the case, I'm gladly gonna accept. But nah, y'all, these are really, really cute. I know everybody have been wearing these as of lately. Like, these are definitely on trend. I love, love, love the nude ones as well, just because I just feel like they are a freaking vibe. These are just like a staple. Like, you gotta have them. You gotta have a pair of oversized black shades. If you don't have anything else in your collection, you need a pair of oversized black shades. And I love these because I love this. Like, I love the thin, like, I love the sleek look to it. These are the last ones that I'm gonna show y'all from Amazon. You always gotta have like a cute pair of aviators. You can never go wrong with some oversized aviators. And I love these because they're blue. And if y'all haven't noticed, I really do like blue sunglasses. Like, I don't know why, but I just feel like they're really, really cute, especially when you have on denim. All right, y'all, so I got these from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna include them just because, like, I wanna include them, but y'all, they kinda look damn near identical to these, but they're not. You know, they're different in their own little way, but y'all see how much I love sunglasses. I be sitting here buying the same kind of sunglasses, like, it's crazy. But honestly, these are different. They are a lot bigger than the other ones. So as y'all can see, the other ones were like a little bit smaller. These are bigger. So I did like them for that reason, and that's why I got them, although they do look kind of similar to the other ones. Like, in comparison to these are more rectangular and these are more square. And with these are on the rectangular side, just like the sunglass spot ones. This one does have like a gold rim on the outside. These right here are the ones that really, really remind me of the Cartier glasses. Like, definitely. I really, really love these, y'all, and I have yet to wear them, but I think I might wear them very, very soon. I really, really love these, y'all. Lil' Kim and Aaliyah, they would have rocked the hell out of these shades back in the day, and y'all, to me, it just give me those vibes, and that's why I love, love, love Fashion Nova, because they are good with the trends. Like, Fashion Nova is gonna stay on trends when it comes down to everything, from accessories, clothes, everything. They're gonna always be on trends. So I really, really love these. And the lens are like a purple tint, and I think that's what makes it also really cute, because it's like a dark purple, and then it's like a nude frame. So these are the last ones that I'm gonna show y'all that I got from Fashion Nova, and they're just really cute, really girly. Y'all know I love pink. Anything with pink literally sells me. It's the color for me. Like, it's the color for me, y'all. Like, the color is so on point. I love a nice hot fuchsia pink. So yeah, these are the last ones that I'm gonna show y'all, and again, these were from Fashion Nova. So these are the next shades that I'm gonna show y'all, and these are actually from a small black owned business by the name of Glow Getter. Again, everything will be linked in the description bar below, and I just wanted to include them because these have been my favorites as of lately, so I definitely had to go ahead and include them. I know y'all have been seeing these everywhere. These are the Dior inspired sunglasses. I could not find anybody that had the white and the orange ones, and when I seen it, I was like, you know what, I gotta get these. Like, to me, these are definitely my favorite out of the two, and that says a lot because y'all know I love, love, love pink, but I love these. And these right here, y'all, these kind of give me like strawberry shortcake vibes with the light pink and then the dark pink lens. super, super cute, y'all. All right, y'all, so that concludes the video. That's part 1 of my sunglass collection, y'all. I have a lot of sunglasses. So if y'all want me to do a part 2, just let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely do it. As always, I really appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.